Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm super excited. It's Passion Strategist Lakeisha Hankins here from LakeishaHankins.com. And I wanted to do this really quick video this morning to share with you how you can build your business in 1 hour a day. So this goes out to my Facebook community and those in my She's Unleashing Her Passion private Facebook group. If you aren't a member, you definitely want to, join us because I'll be sharing more and more tips like this on how to be able to unleash your best business and unleash your life. So this topic came to mind as I was having a conversation with one of my amazing clients because, and you might be just like her. You might find yourself in that same situation where you're a busy mother, or maybe you're serving within your community. Maybe you don't have kids, but you have, like I say, serving within your community. Something else is demanding of your time, or maybe you're still working your 9 to 5 business, right? So I wanted to share with you some tips and some strategies on how you can be able to unleash your business and build your business within 1 hour a day. So you may feel like that you're limited. Okay, you may be comparing yourself to other people that you see who are doing their business full time, and just remind yourself they all started from somewhere. Not everybody was given the opportunity to just jump full on leap into their business and start it full time. So based on your resources, your time and your resources and where you have the bloom where you are planted. So if you have only 1 hour to in your business, look at that as empowering. Okay, so that means you have 1 hour to up level your business. Make that call it your power hour. So my coach used to have this thing where I pretty much implemented at one point in my business, and I said one point because I haven't been doing it consistently, but when I do, oh my gosh, it is so liberating and you get so much done. It helps to be able to increase your productivity and all those things. So having a 1 hour to build your business has its pros and its cons. Okay, so if you prioritize wisely, you can build your business. You can effectively use that 1 hour to focus on your income producing activities, right? I want to encourage you or tell you why it's so important that if you are limited, it's better, I promise you, because that way you're not wasting time scrolling on Facebook, you're not wasting time on Instagram. You have to strategically use your time, right? Because your time is your money. And one of the tips I want to share with you is to prepare the day before. Strategize your day. What is it that you absolutely have to get done the next day? Stop putting so much stuff on your to-do list. Yes, make a list of things that you need to get done, but at the same time say, okay, these are the 3 things that I need to get done tomorrow, and make sure one of those 3 out of those 3 things is going to bring you some income into your business. So it should be attracting some clients. It should be something to be able to sell your products or your services. Okay, I hope that you're feeling me. So if this is making sense, comment that this is making sense, that you're going to use your power hour, that you're going to start using your time wisely. Okay, because if your intention is to build a successful business and you set your intention and you're committed, you can do it. It may take you longer than some, but too, if you're maybe you're limited on time, but you're not limited on money, so maybe you can spend some money, $5 a day on Facebook ads, or I for the most part only use Facebook ads. I know some people use Instagram. So I was going to say, maybe spending money on Instagram if that's where where your ideal clients are hanging out at. So like I said, the more limited you are, the better. I promise you. Okay, so you take a power hour, put it on your calendar for 60 to 90 minutes. Okay, and call that your power hour, where you just zone in and you just focus on what needs to be done in your business. Okay, and start working on what are the IPAs, income producing activities, or tasks that you need to work on, so that you can take your business to the next level, so that you can have more time and freedom within your business, to be able to do those things that you like. Spend more time with your family, take more vacations, whatever it is that you desire. And another tip that I'll leave you with before I log off is to delegate. Outsource what you can. You cannot do it all alone. Stop trying to do it all alone. You can, but you shouldn't, right? Want to do it all alone. Collaborate, build you a team. Make a list of things that you can outsource, right? And if there's some things that you see yourself doing daily in your business, is there a system or something that you can put in place to automate some of those tasks so that you're not having to do it? Now, granted, Facebook has limited, being able to use buffer and tools like Hootsuite and stuff to post automatically on your personal page, but you can schedule your post on Facebook on your business page, and I definitely recommend, if you're not using your business page, to use it, because there you can see all your metrics, what's engaging, all those different things, and use, your posts to create Facebook ads, things of that sort. So I definitely encourage you to delegate, to outsource. It doesn't cost as much as you may think it is. Find your virtual assistant, check out Fiverr.com, see, even if it's your content, having someone to help create your content, someone to do your newsletters, whatever those busy tasks that are, bogging you down, taking you away from, actually doing your business. Okay, and versus working, so there's the one thing when I'm actually doing my business, when I'm actually out there coaching and helping other women to unleash their passion. And there's another thing when I'm sitting here working on websites and working on funnels. What are some of those things that you can actually outsource and delegate to someone else, so that you can focus on those things that you were called to do? Focus on your, your gifts, your skills. Focus on serving your community. So if you want to learn more on how you can build your business in 1 hour a day, or you enjoy this tip, you like tips like this, you want to make sure to connect with me in my She's Unleashed Facebook community, and go over to LakeishaHankins.com and sign up for my newsletter, so that way you don't miss out on any trainings, that I have upcoming. And I'm, speaking of trainings, I'm doing one tonight, Unleashing Your Influence. There's a difference between leadership and influence. So I want to share with you how leaders use their influence to build bigger businesses. So if you're not signed up, I'll make sure, comment that you want access to the training below, and I'll make sure I get you that link to the training. Okay, so you have an incredible day, and I will see you on the other side.